Today at GLOJAS, we have a female patient from Osaka, Japan. The design she chose is like an artist following hairline with a SMART FUE technique. Let's have a look of the surgical plan.
日本の大阪から来ました。おでこのラインを下げに来ました。
This is the design. From the glabella to here is 5 centimeters. From this point, anterior point to behind is 3 centimeters. This is the existing hair. Frontal temporal angle. This is on the right side. Is about 4 centimeters behind. You can fill up this area according to the angular direction. On the left side, also the measurements about 4 centimeters, and we're going to fill up this area too according to angular direction. And this area here, the technique that we're going to do today is dance packing.
私はこのデザインが気に入ってます。